Okay, this is simple exercise. Okay, convert 3 radian to degree. So 3 radian kena bahagi dengan benda radian juga. Jadi 3 kali 180 bahagi dengan pi is equal to 540 degree divided by pi. So equivalent to 171.90 degree. Okay, so next adalah convert 3 degree to radian. So 3 degree times with pi over 180 degree. Degree divide by degree. Okay, maksudnya dia punya formula memang 180 bagi pi ataupun pi bahagi 180. So sama dengan pi per 60 equivalent to 0.05 radian. Okay, so convert each angle to the degree and revolution. Ini contoh dalam buku, saya ambil satu je. Nanti yang lain tu awak kena buat lah. Okay, contoh saya ambil pi per 2. Okay, pi per 2 dalam unit radian. Okay, dia suruh kita tukar dalam unit degree. Jadi saya bahagikanlah maksud saya darab dengan 180 bahagi dengan pi. Jadi bila kita potong pi ni, kita dapat 1 per 2 darab dengan 180, dia adalah 90 degree. Setengah pi sama dengan 90 degree. Okay, how to convert into revolution? Satu rev bernilai 2 pi radian. Okay, kalau kita ada half pi radian, berapa revolution? So half pi radian kena bahagikan dengan 2 pi, awak akan dapat 1/4 revolution. Maksudnya 1/4 revolution adalah bersamaan dengan 90 degree ataupun bersamaan dengan setengah pi radian. Okay. Next is 6.2, centripetal force. Before you learn about centripetal force, you have to know what is defined as a centripetal acceleration. Okay, what is centripetal acceleration? Centripetal acceleration is acceleration of an object moving in circular path whose direction is towards the center of the circular path. Direction is towards center of the circular path. And then, how about magnitude? The magnitude is equal to the square of the speed divided by the radius. Okay, in this mathematically, we can rewrite the magnitude of the centripetal acceleration as AC is equal to V squared over R or equal to R omega square. So, macam mana dapat R omega square ni? It's come from V is equal to R omega. If let's say V squared is come to R square omega square. Okay? So, next, how about the direction? Okay, the direction is towards the center of the circular path. As you can see that the circular motion here. And then they experience the center of the rotation. We call it as FC. Okay, direction of AC is always towards the center. If let's say this object is placed in here, so the AC is come towards the center. Direction of AC. Okay. So, direction is a point towards the center of the circle and perpendicular to the linear velocity. This is linear velocity and perpendicular to linear velocity is direction of AC. Okay, next example. So, let's say here we have a car moving at a constant speed of 15 meter per second in the circular track of radius 30 meter. Calculate the centripetal acceleration of the car. So, by using formula AC is equal to V squared over R. So, substitute the value of velocity is 15 divided by radius is 30. So, AC that we get is 7.5 meter per second square. Okay, so as you know that AC also we call it as radial acceleration. Okay, so next is centripetal force. Centripetal force is come from the according to the Newton's second law. So the object is accelerating must have the net force acting on it. So therefore, the object moving in the circle must have a force applied to keep it moving in the circle. That is, a net force is necessary to give it centripetal acceleration. Okay, so based on these words, they said that the Newton's second law is summation F is equal to MA, but we call it as FC, centripetal force. Maka dia punya MA pun dia sama dengan MAC, iaitu A dia based on centripetal acceleration. Dan untuk pengetahuan awak, centripetal acceleration tak akan nilainya kosong lah. Sebab kalau kita ikut velocity dia, ataupun dia kata speed sebab kita ambil perkataan magnitude, speed of velocity adalah constant, but they are changing speed of velocity pula. Maksudnya value of speed tu iaitu magnitude dia adalah constant. Tapi direction of velocity dia changing. That's why acceleration kita tidak kosong. Okay, untuk case ni lah case circular motion. So therefore, the centripetal force is defined as the force required to maintain a body in a circular path or motion lah. Jadi mesti wujud centripetal force. Kalau tak, body takkan bergerak dalam membulat. Then the centripetal force is not a new kind of force. The terms is centripetal merely describe the direction of the net force is directed towards the center of circular path. Okay, maksudnya dia adalah center of the rotation. So we call it as centripetal force. Okay, so untuk chapter ni kamu punya force adalah macam chapter 4 tapi dia special sikit sebab dia ada huruf C. Subscribe C FC is equal to MAC. And then you kena tahu the direction AC tu ke mana. Iaitu sentiasa towards pada center.